Hey, welcome in traders. My name is Edward Preston, professional trade coach for day trading futures and Forex markets. Today is October 18th, 2010. Today's trade of the day is presented to you by Gnostic Trading Software, a comprehensive package of indicators designed to provide traders with access to innovative methods to take profits from the markets while controlling risk. Guys, we're going to do a little trading here in the E-mini crude oil today. Big rally up to our first two levels of resistance that you guys might want to talk about, taking some black gold here on a Monday. And qualifying bar was a trend follower nevertheless. Take a look. According to our quant report, we're going to go into Gnostic.com, that's G-N-O-S-T-I-C-K, and go over to the Gnos Quant tab. And from there we're going to go cruise over to the Energy tab. And look what we have there, a 4, a green 4 at that. What does that mean? Well, the fact it's green means as a trend follower, we're looking to buy the market. And with a 4, that's some significant strength. So with that, we're going to go put this on a 5-minute chart. Okay, so here's your 5-minute chart. Just simply sitting back and waiting for the market to break the top green. That's our bull level. Okay, if I go put this on a high-low close, I think you can probably see it a little bit easier. Look at that close, just barely over the bull. That gives us the acceleration. That gives us the qualifying bar. It's a 3 accelerator. So we're going to bring our risk down from a normal 2 down to a 1%. Now this is going to be a 3.2 ratio. I'll go put the NOS R3 indicator up in the data box. You guys can see these last 3 boxes are so important. As I click on the qualifying bar, we've got 25 points of 85 reward. So 25 points of risk, 85 points of reward. That's a 3.2 ratio, fantastic ratio. So this does qualify based on the time, based on our accelerator, based on all of our 5 rules of engagement. Helps us see what kind of risk to put on this trade, and we're off and running. You're looking at 5, 10, 15, 25, 30 minutes in. Got our first profit target for those of you trading with multiple contracts. Got 2 more profit targets if you guys are letting it run that are attained in about 1 hour and 10 minutes. From 9:50 is when this thing's set up, and ended in about 1 hour and 10 minutes. You were able to take some profits on this trade. Actually, 25 points, as I mentioned earlier, was the risk. You took a $125 risk to make $425. That's right here from the long entry, right here to the first level, our very first resistance level. From beginning to end, hypothetically, had you bought at the open of this bar, you could have taken approximately $535 off at the last target per contract. This very nice risk. I'm going to actually call this risk about M on our CMA rating. C for conservative, M for moderate, A for aggressive. This will be an example of an M risk type trade. Hey, futures and Forex traders, got Gnostic? Sign up for a complimentary trial to use our indicators at Gnostic.com. It's G as in good, N-O-S-T-I-C-K. So come into the Gnostic website, sign up for a free complimentary 2-week trial. And join me every Tuesday and Thursday morning at the sound of the opening bell. Be with you guys tomorrow morning, 9:30 Eastern Time, for EP's Trade Lab for a live trade event. Look forward to seeing you guys in there. You guys all have a rest of your day. Make it a good one. Take care, guys.